Hey guys, in this video, I will show you a simple way to solve iPhone charging problems at home. Alright, let's begin. If your iPhone isn't charging properly, the first thing you should check is the charging port. Over time, lint, dust, and other debris can build up inside the port and prevent the charging cable from making a proper connection. Use a non-metallic tool, such as a plastic toothpick or SIM card tool made of plastic, to gently remove any debris from the charging port. Avoid using metal objects, as they can damage the charging pins inside the port. Next, gently blow into the charging port to remove any loose dust or lint. After cleaning the port, reconnect your charging cable and check if your iPhone starts charging normally. If possible, also try a different charging cable and power adapter to rule out a faulty accessory. If your iPhone still doesn't charge after cleaning the port and testing another charger, the issue may be caused by a damaged charging port, battery, or another hardware problem. In that case, it's best to have your iPhone inspected by a qualified technician for further diagnosis and repair. So that's basically how you can solve iPhone charging problems at home. That's it for this video. Thanks.